I think it's good. Hello. I'm using this one. This lighting is not the greatest in here, but that is okay. Guys, today we're dyeing some hair. I know, I said it. Dyeing hair. If you watched one of my last YouTube videos, you know that I had my hair dyed and I was very unhappy. It's been about a month and I'm like, I just cannot take it anymore. Here, let me take it down for y'all. And it's turning very orange. I was gonna say brassy, but it's not. It's like orange. So, and you see how different it is from this side to this side? I was very, very disappointed with how my hair was done. So today I'm dyeing it. I just went to Walmart and I got Natural Instincts by Laurel. Am I the worst? First, we're just gonna mix this. I got color 5G. It's medium golden brown. I didn't really want golden brown because I already felt like there was too much gold going on. But it was like this or dark. And I have dyed my hair. The last time I dyed my hair, I never do permanent. But last time I dyed my hair and I got like darker brown, it came out like black. I'll insert a picture. Yeah. So I got 2 of them. I really hope that's enough. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay. It says allergy test 48 hours before coloring. We don't have time for that. Oh, it almost slid off the counter. Girl. And okay, I'm so all over the place. But another reason I got the medium one is because I have like platinum pieces. When I tell you the last time I dyed my hair, I know they forgot about me. My hair fell out. Like tons of my hair fell out. It was bad. And I was like, oh my gosh, it was white. And just, she bleached my hair way too long. And I was like leaving. And I know when they were brushing my hair, like their brushes were full of hair. Just bleached hair. And I'm like, okay, love that for me. What are you doing, Jillian? Some days you just have to say, no, no. No, 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 no. For all y'all hoedown people who know about bag bomb out in the country. You guys see how different, like this is all light, this is all dark. We're just gonna fix our bad situations by dyeing our hair. Because you know, that's what you do. So I think thumbnail. Like, girl, I cannot stand this hair. One more day. No, ma'am. Well, let's part it. Oh, never mind. Hold on. Okay, this is for my edges. Because sometimes I use Vaseline, right? This is for the dye. So if you get it all over yourself, it doesn't like, it'll just wash off. I felt like that was such an ugly face. I was looking at myself in the mirror, I'm like, oh, that was not cute. I feel like I should put a picture of like what I asked for. I will put that up. The pictures I showed versus, as you can see, what I got. I walked in and I told my mom I was dyeing my hair and she's like, didn't you just have all that done? I was like, Mom! Yes! Matter of fact, I did. But since we're just all sitting in our houses being quarantined and have nothing better to do, then we're in our lives even more. It's got a certain smell to it. But let me tell you, it was not as bad as the smell in the hair salon when my hair was falling out from being bleached to death. The This is not like a how-to tutorial. This is just like, watch me try and control the things in my life that I make the mistakes of doing. Oh my gosh. Hey, good thing it landed on this other piece of my hair. Yes. Sorry, this chemical. Well, I wish I had help. Let's see if my mom hears me. So passive aggressive. I'm gonna feel like a whole new woman after this, I hope. Because, like I said, it was like the next day where I was like, oh no ma'am. And I've suffered every day since. Sometimes I just get tired of talking about myself. Ugh. So it's new with you guys. You guys like how I like sing songs in my head and I just bop to them? Okay. No. No ma'am. I'll just all pop up, be like, hey. It went everywhere. Okay. Use our Holy Grail toilet paper right now to clean this up. Sorry, Mom. I'm sorry. If you're watching this. I hope this, like our floor is new too. Like, I hope this doesn't stain this floor. Send help. Little ratchet. Somebody take this from me. Are you saturated? I'm getting tired. Now everybody's home. Quarantine 2020. Oh, that's perfect. I was sitting on my bed and I was watching videos on how to dye your hair. Like, this is the easy way. Last time I had like a brush and I went to Sally's and I freaking like did the darn thing. I was like, I'm a hairstylist, girl. Back up. I've had my hair done. Like, it's like when I used to get my nails done, I was like, oh, I could be a nail tech. Don't even. I've seen them do my nails long enough to know how to exactly do them. Right. So I'm watching this and I was like, wow, you know, if this whole pre-med thing doesn't plan out, girl, we going to hair school. I could do that. And it was like girls on YouTube full out doing balayage and some baby lights in their hair. I'm like, oh, girl, I can do that. And look at me now. Y'all, I've been doing this for like, ow, a lot of minutes straight, it feels. Okay, I'm like, can we squeeze them out of this side maybe? You guys want to share or what? It's gonna be a little patchy, you know. Who said we're professionals? Who said we could even go to hair school, that we know what we're doing? Who was that girl? Okay, okay. This is a terrible video. I'm sorry. I would just like to apologize to everybody who has ever watched this. I'm gonna be done for now because this video should have been over like before it started. It's messy, but I will show you guys the end result. So this is my hair. And my new highlight. You guys like it? This is the next day. It's dried. Of course I curled it. There's a little secret part right here. I don't know if we can see it. That is a little blonde. There's like a little patch right there. But yeah, that's it. I think it turned out great. So thank you guys for watching. I love you. Okay. I'm messy. So far so good. I'm like brush my teeth off. I'm all goodbye. Just turn the video off now. I'm trying to like reassure myself that this is like a good thing. It's fine. It looks good. You're doing so good. Thank you for tuning in. Mwah.